न्यूज चैनल हक की आवाज।
Hello to the precious viewers. I am Hannan Fatima and you're watching City India News. City updates now. Honorable Minister Shri KTR called Minister Shri Nivas Gaur to convey him birthday wishes. The Minister for Excise and Prohibition, Sports and Tourism have stepped in 50th year of his age, formerly an government officer representing the TGO Employee Union. He became MLA from Mehboob Nagar constituency in 2014, lately after his second victory from same constituency. He became the minister in TRS government, the Minister for Municipal. The KTR today called to Mr. V. Srinivas Gaur to convey him birthday wishes. We, the management of City India News, also among the leaders and party workers, convey our best wishes to him. Today in police station of Afzalganj, a awareness program was conducted on coronavirus precautions. Today in police station of Afzalganj, a awareness program was held regarding coronavirus COVID-19. This program was conducted under responsibility of Shri P. Devender ACP, Sultan Bazar and SHO Afzalganj Police Station. Nehru Zoological Park, Hyderabad, which is the busiest and most visited place, will remain closed till further orders. As we can see, Nehru Zoological Park is almost empty and zoo will be closed for visitors as per the instruction of Government of Telangana until further orders. This order are implemented to take precautionary towards coronavirus safety. KCR speaks against CAA, NRC and NPR in Telangana Assembly. Moving a resolution against CAA on Monday, Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao stated that Telangana had very strong reason to justify the resolution. Telangana today quoted KCR as saying, "We have very strong reason to oppose the CAA, NRC and NPR. This is not to taken lightly and there is need to oppose such narrow-minded politics. Dissent can't be seen as anti-national, which is what is happening now." He pointed out that several other states like West Bengal, Kerala, Rajasthan had also passed resolution opposing the CAA. Meanwhile, Chief Minister also condemned slogan like "Goli Maro" raised by some leaders during the election campaign and asked, at a time when the world is moving toward breaking down borders, is there a need for such divisive politics in the country?
The National Population Register NPR is the first step towards the creation of the National Register of Indian Citizens, that is NRC. ఒకవైపు రిపోర్ట్లనేమో పార్లమెంట్కి ఇచ్చిన రిపోర్ట్లో ఈ విధంగా పెడతారు. ఇది భారత ప్రభుత్వం పెట్టిన రిపోర్ట్. చెప్పడానికి ఇప్పుడు లోక్సభలో రాజ్యసభలో ఏం చెప్తున్నారు, బయట ఏం చెప్తున్నారు, నై 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 हम एनआरसी नहीं करेंगे, एनपीआर करेंगे. ये कौन यकीन करना इसको, इस बात को? क्या ये सच है या होम मिनिस्टर साहब का स्टेटमेंट सच है? क्या चीज सच है इसमें? దట్ ఈస్ వేర్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ రేజింగ్ డౌట్స్. ఎందుకు సందేహాలు వస్తున్నాయి అంటే ఇటువంటి చర్యల వల్ల, భారత ప్రభుత్వం చేసిన చర్యల వల్లనే సందేహాలు వస్తున్నాయి తప్ప దీనికి అన్యులు కారణం కాదు. మీరు రిపోర్ట్ ఒకటి పెట్టినరు, బయట చెప్పేది ఇంకోటి చెప్తా ఉన్నారు. ఏది నమ్మాలి ప్రజలు? ఇయ్యాల అధ్యక్ష, నేను ఏదో శాంతిగా ఉన్నా, సామాన్యమైన కుటుంబం ఏదో కూలినాలు చేసుకొని బతుకున్నాను. యారు దొరికితే కాడికి పోతున్నాం అధ్యక్ష, నాకు భూమి లేదు, తాతలు సంపాదించలేదు, ఓ పేద కూలి కుటుంబం అనుకుందాం. మన పాలమూరులో ఎవరు మొన్నటిదాకా పోలేదు అధ్యక్ష మన గతి.
EFLU switched to online courses due to coronavirus outbreak. The English and Foreign Language University EFLU administration has suspended all the classes closed down of the hostel till 31st 2020 March. The university took this decision as precautionary measures combating against the COVID-19 outbreak. The face-to-face mode of teaching for regular part-time courses and those offered through non-formal courses and resources shall remain suspended with the immediate effect till 31st March 2020. The teacher offering respective course shall teach online as per the timetable from 19 March 2020 and mark attendance accordingly. A strict action has been taken from the government of Telangana to close the educational institutions, schools, colleges and university. According to sources, government of Telangana have informed and requested to Special Chief Secretary of Education Minister Sabita Indra to take strict action on institutional managements who are not obeying the government orders. The strict action will be taken against them. 3 members of family died in Narsingi. In an accident of Narsingi of Medak district yesterday night, 3 members of family died. 3 others sustained injuries in an accident when the vehicle they were travelling rammed into a stationary DCM van at Narsingi of Medak district in Telangana. Police is investigating further. The following WhatsApp messages which is being forwarded in and around Hyderabad is fake. Please be very careful, those can mislead you. Police are now trying to ascertain the resource and nab the mistress who are spreading these rumors. We request you do not follow unverified messages. The management of City India News would like to suggest our viewers avoid gathering, try to keep your family members at home and follow precautionary measures to avoid coronavirus. It's all for today. To know more news, please be connected with us. City India News. News you need to know.
दोस्तों, अगर आपको हमारी न्यूज और एंटरटेनमेंट तमाम प्रोग्राम पसंद आते हैं तो फिर लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें और हाँ, बेल आइकॉन दबाना ना भूलें ताकि आप हमारी हर न्यूज और हर एंटरटेनमेंट प्रोग्राम से अपडेट रहें। देखते रहिए सिटी इंडिया न्यूज, हक की आवाज।